Hi guys, here's a quick video for people who want to see how to remove the military crimp off 223 casing or 204 casing or 222 casing. This is the RCBS primer pocket swaging tool. Normally this would go on the RCBS prep station, but as you can see I've just put it into a drill. I've got my drill in a vise here, pretty straightforward. I'm going to be using a glove because the case can sometimes spin in this piece and the case can cut your hand, so I'll turn this on and we'll do a couple. And as you can see, once you're done, it's all swaged out, no more crimp. Now when you're using this piece, you just push it down over the top, it will remove the crimp, and when the head of the bullet or the case touches this flat surface of the swaging tool, it won't cut any further, and then you're done. It's pretty straightforward, pretty easy. Crank out I can do about 200 of these in an hour easily. But like I said, make sure you wear a glove because if you try and hold it with your bare fingers, especially on the edge here where the bullet goes, it cuts you open and kind of hurts. So yeah, I hope you like this video, and yeah, just go for gold and have some fun.